Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Aradhya Sharma from class 7B, and we are here to present you another assembly filled with fun and enjoyment. Today's assembly is going to be presented by class 7A, B and C, and the topics for assembly are International Olympics Day, Anti-Drug Day and Happiness. So let's dive into the river of fun and enjoyment. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Harshvardhan Singh and I am from class 7C and I am going to say the thought of the day. The thought of the day is happiness in this life is to love and be loved. It means if we love someone unconditionally, we too be loved and the life will be filled with happiness. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Mopriya Sarkar and I am from class 7C. Today I am going to recite a Hindi poem, topic happiness. रंग भरो अपने जीवन में, आगे आगे चलते रहो, खुश रहो हमेशा, कुछ भी हो, पथ पर अपने बढ़ते रहो। नफरत की भाषा तुम भूलो, सबको प्यार बांटो तुम, राह दिखाओ आगे सबको, हंसाओ सबको, रहो न गुम। इस जीवन का यही मतलब है, आगे बढ़ते जाना है, खुश रहना और प्यार बांटना, यही सबको समझाना है।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी।
एक दिन तूफान आया जब दोस्तों ने खुशी में नशा पकड़ाया। नशे का आदी मुझे बनाया, अंधेरा बेबसी साथ लाया।
प्रसिद्धि, ये क्या दे रही हो मुझे?
अरे बड़ी शानदार चीज है, एक बार लेकर तो देख।
वाह, सचमुच। लेकिन प्रसिद्धि, नशा करना बुरी बात है, हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
अरे आरुषि, जिंदगी है, जिंदगी में मजा करना चाहिए।
प्रसिद्धि, इससे हम बुरी आदतों का शिकार हो सकते हैं। ऐसा करके हम अपने आप को और अपने माता पिता को धोखा दे रहे हैं। पूरी दुनिया में नशे की लत एक गंभीर समस्या बन गई है। युवा वर्ग अपने भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहा है।
हाँ ऋषि, तुम सही कह रही हो, नशा करने से हमारी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी।
प्रसिद्धि, हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है, एक सुंदर भविष्य हमारा इंतजार कर रहा है।
ऋषि, हम प्रण करते हैं कि आज से हम कभी नशा नहीं करेंगे और स्वस्थ रहेंगे, मस्त रहेंगे।
Good morning all of you. I am Yahi Srivastava from class 7B and today I am going to tell you about International Olympic Day. As we all know that games are a very important part of our life. The modern games or Olympics are leading international sporting events featuring summers and winters every 4 years, in which thousands of athletes from around the world participate in a variety of competitions. The Olympic Games are considered the world's foremost sports competition with more than 200 nations participating. The evolution of Olympic movement during 20th and 21st century has resulted in the several changes of Olympic Games. The first Olympic Day was celebrated on 23rd June 1948 by 9 National Olympic Committees (NOC) with hundreds and thousands of people, old and young, participating in sports competitions such as runs, exhibitions, music and educational seminars. The Paralympic Games for athletes with disabilities and the Youth Olympic Games for athletes aged 14 to 18. The Olympic Games 2021 are going to be organized in Tokyo, Japan. Its theme is Learn, Move and Discover. So stay safe, stay home and enjoy games. Thank you.
In 1938, there was a man in Hungarian army named Karoli. He was the best pistol shooter of his country. He had won so many major national and international championships. He seemed the closest to winning the 1940 Tokyo Olympics gold medal, and that was his only dream. Focus of his life was to win the Olympics gold medal for his country, for which he had practiced for so many years, and he wanted to make his hand the best shooting hand in the entire world. But all dreams turned into dust one day. In 1938, in an army training camp, in an unfortunate accident, a hand grenade exploded in Karoli's right hand, his shooting hand. That grenade not only exploded Karoli's Olympic dream, but as well as his only goal of his life. He had two ways. He would have chosen to kneel down to life and cry for the rest of his life, or he would have focused back on his dreams with a small light of hope. In 1939, he went to a national shooting championship in his country. His colleagues were delighted to see him and complimented him that he came up with courage in the competition and to cheer them. But Karoli said he was not there to cheer them, but to compete them. He was competing them with his only hand, for which he had practiced with one whole year to make this hand the world's best shooting hand again, and he won the championship. He focused on what he had, not what he has lost. So he started practicing for the 1940 Olympics and to make his hand the best shooting hand in the world. But unfortunately, due to World War II, 1940 Olympics got cancelled. But he didn't lose hope. He took all of his concentration and started practicing for 1944 Olympics. But unfortunately, they got cancelled too due to World War II. He couldn't watch that his dreams are fading away like dust. Again and again, and went for the 1948 Olympics championship. He was 28 years old in 1938, and in 1948 he was 38 years old. It was hard to compete with young shooters with young energies, but that didn't stop him. Shooters from all over the world, the best shooters, came there. They were competing with their best hand, and Karoli was competing with his only hand. And the man with the only hand won the championship. But he didn't stop there. In 1952 Olympics, he won the gold medal again and changed the history of Olympics in the world. At the end, I will say that if you are determined, nothing, literally nothing can stop you to reach your goal. Thank you. Milkha Singh, the great hero, The sprinting legend, the flying Sikh, will always remain as a great inspiration for Indians.
मेरी आखिरी ख्वाहिश ये है कि हमारे हिंदुस्तान में से कोई ना कोई ऐसा नौजवान निकलना चाहिए, लड़का या लड़की, जो आगे बढ़े और हमारे देश का तिरंगा झंडा जो है वो ओलंपिक खेलों के अंदर लहराए.
Can anyone from us fulfill the last wish of the flying Sikh? Yes, we definitely can. By focusing on our goals, we can recreate so many legends like Milkha Singh. Thank you.
वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला, मिलके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला. मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है, बस तेरी ही खातिर जान ये सरफरोश है. जीत का जश्न हम